cow. Oh, well, it snowed. It snowed a bit. Look at that. And I've got to shovel out this driveway. I could plow right through it with that, but that's not a four-wheel drive. Plus, we're really not going to drive that today, but I want to shovel this all off of here. Why? It's probably not going to snow for another week, but if I leave it here thinking it's just going to melt on its own within this next week, I've got something coming to me. Oh, look at that. He's snow plowing over there. That's right, he did say he had one. That's our neighbor over there. And I don't know if we're gonna end up getting one of those or not. But so far, so good. We've only had to shovel a couple times. And this is the type of shovel I got. I ended up getting this particular one. Where do you suppose I got it? Yes, Home Depot. And it cracks me up. Most of the snow shovels I've seen have a little metal bar on here on the back side, so it's a metal edge. And I didn't really want that kind. I just wanted a heavy duty plastic one. I didn't want it much wider than that, because when you shovel, you don't want to get it over packed so that you start getting a backache or something like that. And I wanted just a heavy plastic one, because if you see on the driveway, it's these bricks. Can you imagine if I had a metal one? I would start scratching up the top of the bricks, and I didn't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to use that. And what is this? WD-40. What do you suppose I'm going to do with that? I heard, I was reading on the internet that if you're using a snow shovel and the snow starts sticking to the top of it, as you dump it out, maybe sometimes you dump out, you get a full shovel full, and when you dump it, you got a third of a shovel full left because it's still stuck on there and you have to kind of tap on it and stuff. Well, you can take some WD-40, you can spray on there, or they also said you can get like Pam oil spray, for your kitchen. You could spray something like that on there. So I'm gonna try that. I've got my trusty boots here. These actually aren't my boots, they're my pop's. He passed away about, over 4 years ago, maybe close to 5 years ago. And this gives me a good remembrance of him. They're just a hair big, that's okay. I put heavy socks on and stuff. And of course I've got my gloves here. And Mommy uses these sometimes, but she's got some other ones over here. I don't know why she doesn't use these very much, but I mean, my word, she bought these at the store, like for dress shoes. She used those, and the really expensive ones, you could get some real cheap rubber boots. You don't have to buy expensive ones. Okay, and what's this stuff? It melts ice fast. Mommy got this stuff, and it comes in a bag, and she just sprinkles that on after you shovel it. And believe it or not, it actually works pretty good, because then it keeps the last little bit from icing up at night. After you shovel it all off, you just sprinkle a little bit of that out there. She's got a little plastic container here, and you load some of it up there, and you just kind of shake it on there and walk it through. I'm thinking this is it. Yeah, that's it. That's salt stuff. So she bought it in a big, huge bag. She also got some right here, and you can sprinkle it out that way. It just, sprinkle it out. So I'm gonna probably try that at the end. And I want to make a snow angel too. I think I should show you how to make a snow angel. Have you ever made a snow angel? I think I'm going to jump in there and do one real quick, just because I can. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself kind of wet because I just have regular jeans on and stuff. But I'm gonna do that in a minute. And I've got some other shoveling to do out back and some stuff. If you want to stick around, oh, you can't even see me. If you want to stick around, I'll show you a few more things when it comes to shoveling snow. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.